sa mga happy ako as a social media manager is we can do a lot of things. And hindi lang natin siya na-offer sa client natin international, di ba, as a freelancer. Kasi common knowledge is as social media manager ka, kukuha ka ng client dun sa ibang bansa and i-offer mo siya. But you can definitely build your own business. And as of right now, before I start being a social media manager, I'm a business owner. And as a business owner, talagang post lang ako ng post na kung ano yung makikita ko sa social media. And gagayahin ko lang siya and that's it. Pero since nung natutunan ko na sa social media management, alam ko na how it works, sobrang nag-boom yung business ko ngayon. Kasi nga, alam ko kung ano talaga yung mga content na dapat pinupost at ano yung mga content na hindi dapat pinupost. Meaning, nagkaroon na tayo ng strategy. Pero it's not like that. Pero hindi lang siya ganon. Sabi ko nga, you can do everything. I've been doing travel collaborator na din sa mga accommodation and hindi lang yan. I'm also collaborating to those industry na kaya ko or gusto ko talaga. Since I am doing Pilates, nakipag-collab din ako sa mga Pilates. Diba? You can do a lot of things if you know how it works so well. Yan yung mga gusto kong maging aware kayo kasi sabi ko nga, let's take advantage of social media kasi sobrang dami pong pwede natin gawin sa social media. Kaya kung hindi nyo pa alam how social media works, I have lots of resources for you. I have free resources. I also have YouTube that you can also explore. So please, let's take advantage of social media and let's earn sa social media.